Ever wondered why so many Americans are packing their bags and heading abroad? With rising costs of living, the constant hustle, and a desire for more fulfilling lifestyles, more and more people are realizing that the American dream doesn't have to happen in America. Whatever the motivation is, Americans are finding reasons to leave behind the stress and make a fresh start in a new country. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 countries where Americans are moving to in 2024, based on real stats, and some of these might surprise you. Number 10. France. France, the land of romance, wine, and world-class art. But it's not just for vacation. Over 60,000 Americans now call France home. So, what's the main attraction point? According to most Americans, it's the laid-back lifestyle. Americans are drawn to the charm of French culture, especially in cities like Paris, Lyon, and Nice, where there's a mix of history, innovation, and a solid expat community. The work-life balance in France is another huge factor, with shorter work weeks and more vacation time. Whether it's sipping wine in the countryside or immersing themselves in the fashion and art scene, France has something for everyone. Plus, who can say no to French cuisine and pastries on a daily basis? Number 9. South Korea. With a strong economy and rapidly growing tech industry, South Korea is a prime spot for job opportunities, especially for those in tech, engineering, or teaching English. Seoul offers a fast-paced, modern lifestyle with cutting-edge infrastructure and a buzzing social scene. But there's more to Korea than just the futuristic cityscape. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with temples, palaces, and festivals that draw in immigrants who want to experience a mix of old and new. And for those who enjoy travel, Korea's location makes it easy to explore other parts of Asia. For Americans, South Korea provides a blend of adventure, career prospects, and modern convenience, which is why over 68,000 Americans are currently living there. Number 8. Israel. Israel might seem like a surprising addition, but with nearly 77,000 Americans moving there, it's clear there's something special about this small but mighty country. Many are drawn to Israel for its innovation and startup culture. It's often called the startup nation because of its dynamic tech scene. Others move to reconnect with heritage, as Israel is a significant destination for those of Jewish faith. Tel Aviv offers a cosmopolitan lifestyle, with beaches, nightlife, and booming industries. On the other hand, Jerusalem appeals to those seeking deep-rooted history and spiritual experiences. Whether it's for career growth or personal connections, Israel provides a unique blend of modernity and tradition that appeals to Americans looking for something different. However, with the war Israel is currently involved with, the future stability of living in this country is up in the air. Number 7. Australia. The land down under is famous for its beaches, sun, and outdoor adventures, but there's a lot more that attracts over 116,000 Americans. Australia offers a high quality of life, excellent health care, and a laid-back lifestyle that appeals to those seeking balance. Cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane are hubs for business, tech, and culture, but they also boast an incredible work-life balance. The outdoor lifestyle is a big draw, with opportunities for hiking, surfing, and exploring some of the world's most breathtaking landscapes. In fact, there are many Americans moving there just for the surfing lifestyle. The easygoing nature of Australians, the mild weather, and the lack of a language barrier make it a seamless transition for Americans seeking an adventurous yet comfortable place to call home. Number 6. Germany. With over 150,000 American immigrants. Why Germany? It's one of the strongest economies in Europe, with a high standard of living, world-class education, and a robust healthcare system. Cities like Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt are popular destinations for Americans working in industries like tech, finance, and engineering. Berlin in particular is a hotspot for creatives, digital nomads, and entrepreneurs, offering a vibrant art scene and plenty of startup opportunities. Germany's efficient public transport and central location in Europe make it easy to explore the rest of the continent. And for those who love history and architecture, the castles, cobblestone streets, and cultural landmarks are hard to resist. Number 5. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, a tropical paradise that's technically part of the US, but with its own island vibe. It's neither an American state, nor it's an independent country. However, it still deserves to be on this list. Americans are moving here for tax incentives, especially entrepreneurs and investors looking for a break from mainland taxes. It's the perfect blend of Caribbean beauty with U.S. citizenship perks. No visa issues or complicated residency permits required. This is most likely why around 160,000 Americans have chosen to move here. Beyond the financial appeal, Puerto Rico's rich culture, incredible beaches, and year-round warm weather make it an enticing option for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. San Juan is a growing hub for expats, offering a mix of colonial charm and modern amenities. Plus, the cost of living is relatively low, making it attractive for retirees and remote workers looking to stretch their dollars further. Number 4. United Kingdom. The UK remains a classic destination for Americans, with nearly 171,000 expats now calling it home. With its shared language and cultural ties, the UK offers a relatively easy transition for Americans. London is a global financial center, attracting professionals from all over the world, while cities like Manchester, Edinburgh, and Bristol offer a mix of vibrant city life and access to nature. These cities are also huge for football, which is definitely a sport lacking in America for players or fans. For those in the creative industries, the UK's film, music, and art scenes are world-renowned. On top of that, the UK's history, from its royal heritage to its museums, gives immigrants plenty to explore. For Americans seeking both familiarity and a European lifestyle, the UK is a top choice. Plus, it's a gateway to explore the rest of Europe with ease. Number 3. Canada. With over 273,000 Americans crossing the northern border, it's no wonder why the friendly neighbor is a top destination. The allure of free healthcare, a high quality of life in some cities, and a reputation for being one of the safest countries in the world draws in thousands each year. Cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal are thriving urban centers, offering job opportunities in tech, finance, and creative fields. Additionally, with the current state of the Canadian dollar, Americans can easily relocate to the more expensive cities on a discount, resulting in an amazing lifestyle. Canada's diverse culture is another plus, welcoming immigrants from all over the globe, creating a rich, multicultural environment. And if you love the outdoors, Canada's mountains, lakes, and national parks provide endless opportunities for adventure. Whether it's for work, family, or just a better quality of life, Canada is a no-brainer for Americans looking for a change of scenery without going too far. Number 2. Philippines. The Philippines might be unexpected for some, but with 400,000 American immigrants, it's one of the top choices, especially for retirees and especially digital nomads. If you have a remote job or online business, this is the place to go. The cost of living is incredibly low, making it affordable for Americans to live comfortably on a budget. Beyond the financial benefits, the Philippines offers a tropical paradise with some of the best beaches and diving spots in the world. The warm, welcoming nature of the Filipino people and the widespread use of English make it easy for Americans to adapt. Furthermore, as you're probably aware, the food scene here is top tier. Cities like Manila offer a bustling urban life, while islands like Cebu and Palawan provide peaceful escapes. For those looking to enjoy a laid-back lifestyle in a tropical setting, the Philippines is the perfect destination. Number 1. Mexico. Finally topping the list is Mexico, with a whopping 799,000 American immigrants. Just south of the border, Mexico offers an unbeatable mix of culture, weather, and affordability. From the vibrant life of Mexico City, full of art, history, and modern amenities, to the stunning beaches of Tulum and Puerto Vallarta, there's something for everyone. Many Americans are drawn to Mexico not only for its lower cost of living and friendly locals, but also because millions of Hispanics and Latinos already live in the U.S., making the cultural connection strong and familiar. Plus, with Spanish being the second most spoken language in the U.S., a lot of Americans are already comfortable speaking or learning it, making the transition even easier. Mexico's diverse landscape means you can go from exploring ancient Mayan ruins to sipping cocktails on a beach in a matter of hours. Whether it's for retirement, remote work, or just a fresh start, Mexico is the top choice by far for Americans ready to embrace a new life abroad. And there you have it, the top 10 countries where Americans are moving in 2024. Whether it's a desire for better job opportunities, a lower cost of living, or just a new adventure, these countries are proving to be the perfect fit for Americans ready to make a change. So which country would you move to? Let us know in the comments below.